How's your book taste? You having fun in the grass? Yeah. Rolling, rolling. You're silly. What you squealing about? Do you love colors? Love them, love them. Yeah. Happy camper. A happy camper with a stuffy nose. So happy. Happy to be rolling around outside. Even though it's 90 degrees. Smooch! Where's your smooch? Mwah! Good girl. Can I see it again? Mwah! Good girl. Ah, again and again and again.